For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Several farmer organizations from Karnataka held a statewide bandh against the new farm bills, land reform ordinances, amendments to APMC and labour laws. The statewide bandh received a good response as farmers from almost all districts came together for the same. Thousands of people from Karnataka Rajya Raita Sangha, Hasiru Sene and other organizations staged a massive protest in front of the town hall in Bengaluru. Protesters burned effigies and rolled on roads to express their anger. Protesters also performed yoga at Mysore Bank Circle. Protesters set tires on fire to express their anger against the state and central governments. Protesters also tried to set photos of Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa and Prime Minister Narendra Modi on fire. Police took several protesters into custody as they were turning violent, affecting the traffic in turn. A protest rally was held by farmers from Chennamma Circle to Suvarna Sauda in Belagavi. Police took protesters into custody when they tried to barge into Suvarna Sauda. A scuffle broke out between protesters and police when they tried to set tires on fire. Farmers in Ballari went on a rally on bullock carts, raising slogans against the state and central governments. Protesters set tires on fire and danced around them, shouting slogans against the government at Bhuvaneshwari Circle in Chamarajnagar. Protesters in Kolar tied images of B.S. Yediyurappa and Narendra Modi to donkeys and took them out on a rally. Farmers from Devanahalli blocked Bengaluru-Hyderabad National Highway 7 to express their anger. In Chitradurga, farmers burned the photos of B.S. Yediyurappa and Narendra Modi to express their anger against the government. Protesters also performed a mock funeral of B.S. Yediyurappa and Narendra Modi. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa alleged that farmers' protests are provoked by the opposition and said that he tried to convince farmers about APMC and the Land Reforms Act.
ನಾನು ರೈತ ಮುಖಂಡರನ್ನ ವಿಧಾನಸೌಧಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಸಿ ಈ ಎಪಿಎಂಸಿ ತಿದ್ದುಪಡಿಯಿಂದ ಭೂ ಸುಧಾರಣೆ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ತಿದ್ದುಪಡಿಯಿಂದ ರೈತರಿಗೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅನುಕೂಲ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಅವನು ಮನವರಿಕೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಆದರೆ ಅವರು ನಿಶ್ಚಯ ಮಾಡೇ ಬಂದಿದ್ರು ನಾವು ಸತ್ಯಾಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ.
Yediyurappa also said that reform in the APMC Act would not affect farmers in any way but would benefit them.
APMC ಬಾಗಿಲು ಮುಚ್ಚಿಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. APMCಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಅವರು ಖುಷಿ ಬಂದ ಕಡೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬೆಲೆ ಸಿಗೋ ಕಡೆ ಮಾರಾಟ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ರೈತ ಸಮೂಹಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದೊಂದು ಐತಿಹಾಸಿಕ ನಿರ್ಣಯ.
The Chief Minister also explained about Land Reforms Act and said that it would not affect farmers.
ಈ ಭೂ ಸುಧಾರಣಾ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ ತಿದ್ದುಪಡಿ 54 ಎಕರೆಗೆ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಈಗಲೂ ಸಹ ಮೊದಲೇನಿತ್ತು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ನೀರಾವರಿ ಭೂಮಿಯನ್ನು ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಕೊಂಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದು ನೀರಾವರಿಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋಂಥ ಷರತ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಜಾತಿ ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ವರ್ಗದ ಜನರಿಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಥ ಜಮೀನಾದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಅತಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ರೈತರ ಜಮೀನನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡುಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲ.
A Congress delegation met Governor Vajubhai Vala and submitted a memorandum regarding changes made by state and central governments.
ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಗವರ್ನರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಮೆಮೊರಂಡಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ, 2 ಮೆಮೊರಂಡಮ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಒಂದು ಈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಂತ ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ.
Though protests were held across the state Bandh received a mixed response, with transportation, government offices and other services functioning as usual.